Hitting a frustrating wall when you try to start an Instagram Live session because it says you're not eligible. Let's troubleshoot this step by step. First, the most common reason is a violation of Instagram's community guidelines or terms of use, which can restrict features like going live. To check this, open Instagram, go to your profile page, tap the three lines for the menu, select Settings and Privacy, scroll way down and tap on Account Status while you look here for any notes about restrictions or features you cannot use. Another possibility, especially if your account is very new, is that Instagram places temporary limitations on certain features, including live streaming, until the account is more established, so patience might be needed. Next, ensure your Instagram app is fully updated. Head to your phone's App Store, search for Instagram, and if you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version, as old versions can cause errors. Along the same lines, make sure your phone's operating system itself is current. Go into your phone's main settings, find the software update section, and install any pending updates for your device. A poor or unstable internet connection is another frequent blocker. Try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data, or vice versa, or simply move to a location with a stronger signal before attempting to go live again. Sometimes, it's just a temporary glitch. Try first closing the Instagram app completely and then reopening it if that doesn't work. A full restart of your phone can often clear minor temporary bugs. Double-check that Instagram has the necessary permissions enabled on your phone. Go back into your phone's settings, find the Apps section, select Instagram, and ensure permissions for camera and microphone are granted. If you've carefully gone through all these steps and the not eligible message persists, the issue might be more specific to your account, and contacting Instagram directly through their help center is the recommended final step.